Oh, what's his face playing the guitar? I don't know his name.
Darcei!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be trying out some face masks. These are not new. These are not new products at all. These have been out for months. But I'm only trying out this product now because I was in a mall that I hadn't been in years and I got lost. So I was just walking around this mall, and as I'm walking around, I see out of the corner of my eye Korean boys, and I was like, what is that? And oh my god, it was an entire display of BTS face masks, and I was like, boy, what you guys doing here? So I knew I had to pick it up. These are the special edition BTS face masks with Mediheal. Mediheal is famous for their face masks, and I was actually told by a friend to try out Mediheal. Bam! The universe showed me, hello. Perfect opportunity. I bought it right away, no hesitation. It comes in lots of different packs. I believe there's 3 or 4 different packs, and the masks do different things. So I picked up the brightening and soothing one, not because I need brightening and soothing, but because I just liked this photo. And I couldn't afford all of them because it's hella expensive. I haven't opened it yet, but as far as I know, inside it comes with a bunch of masks and also photo cards. Exclusive BTS photo cards, 14 pieces. So that means, how many members are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means there's 2 cards for each member? That sounds about right. Now, as many of you know, I am a very big K-pop fan. And I've been a K-pop fan for a really long time as well, for about 15 years now. But your girl don't know much about BTS. My knowledge of BTS is based on YouTube comment sections. I don't know all their names. I do know some of the members' names simply because I see them all the time in the YouTube comment sections. So I do know a few of the members' names, but I don't know who's who. So I thought it would be fun before I open up the box to try and guess who's who on this box, based on my very limited knowledge of BTS. So the one member that I absolutely 100% certainty know of is RM, and I know exactly which one he is. And the reason I know this is because I guess he's pretty much like the face of the group, right? So I know who he is. I know that he used to be called Rat Monster, and then everyone called him Ratmon, and then he suddenly decided to be RM because he thought Rat Monster sounded corny or something. And I know his real name is Namjoon because Kenny won't shut up about him. So I know with 100% certainty that this one is Namjoon or RM. Now the other ones, girl, I know there is a member named Chuga. Chuga. I feel like this one is Chuga. He looks like a Chuga. Do they all have the same haircut with different colors? I know there's a member named J-Hope. I'm gonna guess. I don't know. I'm gonna guess that this one is J-Hope, because he looks hopeful and his name might start with a J, like J-Bone, Jackson, Joshua. I know there's a member named Jimin. He's supposed to be the hot one, right? Is he the hot one? Whenever they go to award shows, all the Americans are like, who's that hottie, right? He's the hot one. This guy looks like he's the hot one. Look at him crossing his legs. Come on. And he's got the confidence. That must be Jimin. And then I know that there's a member named Jungkook or Cookie. I know there's a Cookie. I know there is. And he's supposed to be like the cute, little adorable one. I think he's the youngest. I'm not sure, but at least he looks like the youngest. So I'm gonna guess that this one is Cookie, because he looks really young and innocent. That's all of the names that I know. So I still have to guess this one and this one, and I have no idea what their names are. Let me Google BTS names. Oh god! Fruit fly! BTS names. There's a member named V and there's a member named Jin. So, okay, I got a 50-50 shot here, guys. This one's V and this one's Jin. I probably got those all wrong. Well, if this is my last video, it's because the army has killed me. Anyways, guys, let's open this bad boy up. It comes with the 2 different masks. This one is the white hydrating black mask. This one is the brightening one. So as you can see, it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 masks. And then on the other side, you have the soothing mask. And this one is tea tree leaf oil. It also comes with this cute little card with the BTS members talking about their favorites. And then it comes with the little cards. I love how cute Korean celebrity endorsements are. Like, you don't see this with like American endorsements. So it comes with 14 cards, but it's not like I thought. It's not like individuals of them. It's just like group shots, which is still cool. They looking cute or whatever. They looking cute or whatever. Little what's his face playing the guitar. I don't know his name. Today I feel like trying one of these masks. So it includes ingredients that are excellent in whitening the skin, like niacinamide. Also gives great moisturizing effects as well, and increases skin elasticity. On the back of this, it actually says you should see results if you use the mask 2 to 3 times a week for 4 weeks. It is really wet. There's a lot of serum on here, like dripping wet. Love that it actually fits my face, and definitely a plus. Also really enjoyed that I look like I'm about to rob your house, bitch. And it looks like I'm about to hit you with that do-do-do-do-do. So now I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will get back to you guys. Hey guys, I'm only about 5 minutes in, but I just want to tell you guys that the quality of this mask is insane. Like, the material itself is just so thick, and because it's so thick, it sticks to your face perfectly. I'll definitely be trying more stuff from Mediheal after this. This is so legit. Okay, so I know it's been on long enough because it's starting to dry in places. Peel this off. Do I look whiter? Wait, do I? There's definitely a brightening effect going on. I like this mask. I'm definitely gonna keep using this. Wow. Nice. I had a lot of dairy recently, so my skin is like attacking me. I have a giant pimple right here, but even after putting on this mask, it hurts a little bit less. A lot of times celebrity endorsed products are kind of disappointing, but this was great. This is my first time trying Mediheal. I love it. I need more. This is amazing. That is my quick review for the BTS Mediheal collab. If you guys have tried some Mediheal masks and you have some suggestions for me, definitely leave them in the comments below. I really like anything with moisture, anything that's soothing for breakouts and brightening. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave some suggestions in the comments below what I should review next. Even though this was like barely a review, this was just me guessing BTS's names pretty much and then putting on a face mask for 15 minutes. But thanks so much for watching this pointless video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love ya so much. Bye! 내 마지막 춤을 다 가져가